Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another yarn unboxing. This is the third order that I have received and I'm so overwhelmed. I'm tired. It's really hard to hide the yarn, right? That's the thing. Oh my goodness. I had to hide these in my shower, my bathroom. Okay, this is from Svetlana. She shipped it with DHL, as again, regular post has issues, and I had to pay $372 Canadian for shipping, and the yarn is $259, and it was 22 kilogram, 550 gram of yarn. So again, $259 for the yarn. I received 3 packages like this, 2 same, and the third one is way bigger than this. So 22 kilogram and 54 cents. They arrived super, nothing damaged, super good. But again, I had to pay 372 Canadian dollars. On top, I paid custom fee, $22 even. Well, I think $22.09, so $22. Yeah, there's no way getting away with that. So again, this is from Svetlana, and I will put her link below. I started buying from her from last year, October, and she's been holding these yarns since July, I believe. I was asking her, can you keep it for me? Okay, so nicely. See, oh, look at the green. Green, green, green. Oh, wow. Look how they opened. Nice, eh? The package. Okay, I can't remember. Oh, okay. This one. Oh, look at this mohair. Oh, my goodness. Look at the color. Isn't this beautiful? Oh, it's my favorite lime color. I'm so happy. Happy, happy, happy. Okay, so this is beautiful. I can't remember what's in them, but mostly mohair I tried to pick. This is alpaca. Look at this. Oh my goodness. See how beautiful they are? Okay, this is rainbow. She had a lot of this, so I am planning to knit a cardigan. Oh my goodness, oh, with all this yarn, this will last me forever. She bagged them, and then she taped them. Sorry about the sound. Just want to show you this, because she knitted a cardigan, and it's so soft. Oh, wow. See? I might add a different yarn into this, but look at the Pastel Rainbow. Okay. There's a couple of these. Oh, I'm so happy with the lime green. Oh, definitely make something for myself. Oh, look at these colors. Can you see the rainbow? The Pastel Rainbow. Oh, this is hacky cotton yarn, because I don't think I have any hacky, and I'm making octopus, crocheted octopus. I have a tutorial and I use cotton, but this is so nice. Yeah, I don't know how many I bought. I can't remember, but she did send me she always shows me a list. Here is a clone of that same yarn. Same. So again, this is one of the boxes that they had to divide it to 3, or else it was going to cost me more than what I paid, $372. That's a lot of money, isn't it? With DHL. If I had to pay from here, it would have cost me more. Look at this. Oh, wow. Oh, can you see it? It's so, because it's after 7. And I had to turn the light, but this is gorgeous. to tape it from here. Let's open and see. Because it really looks different when you look at the pictures, right? And then she always makes videos. Oh. See how she packed them individually? These are huge cones. Look at this pastel color. Oh my goodness. Love it, love it, love it. Oh wow. Look at this. Oh. Again, these are blend of mohair. They don't shed. They're not itchy. You won't have any allergy. Here's the name, what it says. It says the name powder. In Turkish pudra and the number. So these are made in Turkey. It's beautiful. So about 2 bags. Another bag. Oh wow. Oh, look at this. Here's variegated again. Oh, look at the color. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Oh my goodness. See, I forgot what I ordered. Oh, it's been, because she's been adding them since July, right? And here's the last one. So I have a huge box that I can store them in. Yeah. Let me move this box. Oh, these are lovely. And here's the second cone. Look at the color. 3 packages came all today. I was just like, wow, that's overwhelming. You know, to unpack them, to hide them, to, oh, there must be more of this gorgeous. It's so soft. Yeah, I need to. See, knitting takes forever to knit and finish. So, yeah. Oh my goodness. Okay. I might bring the other box because there's still more time. And, yeah. For you guys to see. Okay, let me bring the other box and let's open that one. Okay, so this is from the first box. This is the second box. It's the same size box. It says, and let's see. Turn the camera a little bit this way. How come it gets blurry? I don't understand. Oops. Okay, I don't know why it gets blurry for some reason. Should focus, right? Okay. Oh, I totally forgot what I bought. Believe it or not. Oh. Oh, look at this color. I can't even remember. Oh, this is the yarn that I've been, it's a different color. I've been making hats. Let me just bring you the one that I did. It's right here somewhere. Oops, it's the same yarn, but different color, of course. Just want to show you. So I did crank this on my Centro. This is the white version, and this is the red, and this is the pink. So it just turns out fantastic. Look at it. It knits up so nice. So I'm happy. It's the same. I didn't realize until, you know. Okay. So here's a different. I'm not going to open this. So as you can see, the yarn. Yeah, it's pretty thin though. it's not thick. So I might need to add the white into it, or I don't know, a different color. Okay, and there's cones here. Okay, just move these. Okay, so it looks like, oh, oops, sorry. Looks, yeah, this is different yarn. This is totally different. I thought it was the same. So this is different, and there's more in here. Let me see if I can put a little bit down. So this cone and these yarn are the same. It's not that thick. It's not that halo as this. This one is like off-white. This one is like ivory, the color. Yeah. But I like this one way better. I hope there's more of this yarn. Oh, here it is. I have this cone. Nice. Okay, so yeah, see how thick it is? You know what? This is darker. This is more ivory than this. So this one is different then. Okay, we'll see. The more we open the bags, the boxes, hopefully. Okay, here's another cone. Huh. This is like peach, like salmon. Salmon color is so popular this year. And here's another cone. This looks like the yarn that I bought from Crochet, the burgundy. But this is more purple. Can you see? And I like it when it's thick like this. I don't have to add any other yarn into it to make it thicker. And there's more information in the cone. Okay. I think this is made in Italy. Oh no, it's made in Turkey. Yeah, it says 19% polyester, 17% wool, 5% mohair, and 56% acrylic. So that's 17% wool, and I believe it's a 5 or 8. So that's yeah, I can definitely smell the wool in it. So there is wool in this. Look at the color. Oh my goodness. Let me just put these I really like this one here. Really like it, but it's not same as this. Oh, so I have the big box opened, unbox it with you guys, but I won't have enough memory in it, so I will post this video, and I will open the third box, which is bigger than this, and I'm hoping there's more of this yarn, because this is totally different color. And that one is totally different. And I'm just looking at it. This is pretty light because they're very thin. There's lots of yarn in here. Definitely look at the color. So I don't know. I will knit up all of this yarn, and I might add something else into it just to give the thickness. Or maybe I need to use a smaller knitting needle, right? So that's another thing. Yeah, I haven't ate my supper yet, so what I'll do is I'll post this the time it will upload, download, whichever you call it. I will eat my supper, and I will come and do the the third unboxing. Yeah, lots of pinks. It looks like I picked up lots of pink colors. Let me move this and then show you around. If you look at it, this is like the salmon color. That one's in the pink family. Over there, that one's a little bit lighter with 2 cones. So it looks like I picked up lots of pink. Must have been that pink day that I was in. Yeah, and I'm really happy with the lime. Oh, I am so thrilled. I can't explain how happy I am because I have never seen mohair in this color. Yeah, just checking. Oops, sorry. Oh, there's no notes or anything. I can't even remember if I picked it, so I'll go and check my listing that she always message me, and let's go and see what I bought. I'm not quite sure about that green. Maybe it's a gift, but let me just confirm it with her. She DMs me on Instagram. So these are really nice, aren't they? Super soft. Okay, so here's the list that she sent me. So there's 22 kilogram and 550 gram, 22 kilogram. So that green, I thought it was a gift, but no, I paid for that. It's the lime mohair, 1 kilogram for 90 Turkish that I paid. And here are all the prices. So alpaca, oh, there's not many, only 500 gram of that alpaca. Oh, I wish there were more. So there must be more in the big box. Cream alpaca, yeah, 750. Turquoise pastel. So let's go into the second package and see what's the third package, and let's see what's inside. That purple variegated yarn is here, so there's plenty. It's 1 kilogram, 400 gram. Lots of pink. Oh, khaki cotton is 550 grams. So everything is here. She nicely sends me a list so I know what I bought. Okay. Total of 21 different varieties of yarn. And yep, so I will come back and show you this third package. So I hope you like this unboxing, the 2 boxes that I unboxed with you. I'm really tired, as you can hear my voice. I had to hide these, and then now I'm unboxing. So yeah, so stay tuned for the third box, and we'll go from there. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends. Take care of everybody. I'll see you on the next video. Happy knitting, happy crocheting.